This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome to the new section of this course. In this section, we will be covering the basics of kalilinux. We will see how kalilinux looks when installed as a virtual machine, and some of the basic elements of kalilinux will be explained in detail. This is how our kalilinux operating system looks like. So these are the things that we can see in kalilinux window. Okay, so now let's start with this. What is this? This is a logo of kalilinux. So after clicking on this particular thing, you can see here the status bar and these many things here. So let's dive into it and let's see what it is. So this is just like a search bar in Windows. If you want something and you don't know where it is, you can type here. Just taking an example of burp suit. I just want to search burp suit, but I don't know the file location of burp suit to open. So I just need to type here. For that, I need to type burp suit. So this is completely like Windows search bar. Okay. So now let's see what it is. So these all are the tools that are pre-installed in our kalilinux operating system. So you can make you can favorite some tools that you frequently use. So all the favorite tools will be here, and recently used tools will be here. And in the last couple of days, I'm using this Maltego and social engineering. That's why it is here in recently used, and all the applications that are here. So these many tools are here present in kalilinux operating system, and these are the categories which distinguish the tools according to their working. So for that, you just need to click on this. Just take an example of I just want to gather some information, and I just need to use any particular tool for the information gathering. So I just need to click on this button, which is information gathering, and as you can see here, these many tools are present here to gather information. And as you can see here, Maltego in my recently used, it was Maltego. Okay, so this is the categorized version of tools, and this is for vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, database assessment, password attack. This is the most frequently used tools in password attack, wireless attack, and we are going to use some tools here like Kismet and all, aircrack, ng. These are the very important tools for the wireless attack, and this is reverse engineering, exploitation tools, sniffing and spoofing tools, and these all tools are present according to their category. So this is all about this particular logo. So as you can see here, this thing, this is just like a my document in our Windows. It will show you all kind of things that you want to visit. This is just a place where you can find all the things here like Windows, templates, public, picture, movies, music, downloads, documents, desktop, and all, and terminal. So this is the terminal that we will be using very frequently, because terminal is just like a best friend for the hacker, because most of the work will be doing here. Okay, and this is all. And if you want to record your screen, so you just need to click on this particular icon. It will automatically record your screen. As you can see, record a video or take a screenshot for your screen. And now let's see the right hand corner of this window. So this is showing us time, and this is for the volume. Okay, you can increase it, you can decrease it, depends upon you. This is for the notification, and this is showing the battery, and this is for, if you click on this particular, it will just lock your screen. So for login, you just need to once again type same things, kali.kali, and here in this window you can see here log out, restart, shut down, switch user, hybrid sleep, hibernate, and suspend. So this is all how our windows look like. And if you want to change some settings, you just need to click on this particular thing, and here you can just click on settings. So after clicking on settings, you will find these many options. Okay, so this is the setting menu of kalilinux operating system. So if you want anything here, appearance, display, anything, you can find here. And this is the trash is just like a recycle bin in our Windows. And this is home. Here you will find each and every document that is present in your operating system. So this is like my computer. Okay, this is home, kalilinux. Okay, so this is all how kalilinux looks like. In the upcoming videos we will be seeing that how to use some commands in our terminal to make our work easier. And this is all for this lecture. In this video we are going to see the Linux commands. These are not the hacking commands. They are not the penetration testing command. They are just command used in Linux that allows us to do different things on the operating system. This overview of how the terminal works was just designed to get you more comfortable with the structures, navigating the directories and so on. So now let's take an overview of Kalilinux terminal. The terminal is a place where you can do anything you want on the operating system. Run any program by executing commands associated with the program we want. The Linux terminal is a very powerful tool. It basically allows us to do a lot more than the graphical interface. A lot of programs that we are going to use have graphical interface, but the command line is much easier and quicker. And also in many scenarios you will get a secure socket cell that is also called as SSH or command promoter on a target computer, and you will need to know the commands in order to do what you wish on that particular computer or to just pen test its security. Learning how to deal with the command prompt is very important, and it is very easy because you just type some commands and the work is in front of you. Instant result. We are going to use it a lot in the upcoming videos, but for now we will be providing a very simple overview. It is much easier than running through the graphical interface. Using it is very simple and very easy. You literally type in the command and the result is displayed on the screen as text. In this lecture we are going to see ls command. Ls command is the first command in our list. Ls command is just a command that we use in our Windows operating system, that was dir, dir, that will show us how many directories in the present working directory. Okay, so ls command is also called as list command. So now I don't know where currently I am, so I just want to see how many files, how many directories are present there where I currently working on. So let's type here ls and press enter. So as you can see here, desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, templates, videos. These are the folders are present here where currently I am working on. So if you want to see where currently I am working on, so you just need to type pwd and press enter. So I am currently working on home kalilinux. This is also called as this pwd command will tell you in which directory currently you are working on. Okay, so now I am in home kalilinux. So I just want to see that how many things are inside this home kalilinux working directory, how many things are present here. So let's type here ls and press enter. So as you can see here, desktop, okay, these many things. So let's see graphically how it is accurate or not. So as you can see here, home kalilinux. So I'm just going to press home. So in this home tab you can see here that desktop, yes it is desktop, documents, download, this is true information. So this is how we use terminal window. It make our work very easy. You just need to type some commands and you will be there. You will see what particular things is working there and what you want to retrieve, what you want to do. You just need to click some commands here. So in this video we have learned about two commands. The first one is ls and the second one is pwd. So now let's repeat once again. So now I want to see in which directory currently I am working on. So I just want to type pwd for knowing the current working directory. and press enter. So currently I'm working on home kalilinux and I want to see how many folders are there in home kalilinux. So I just want to type ls and press enter. So as you can see here, these many folders are there, and if I want to know more about these folders, what I will do, I will just type ls -l and press enter. So it will show us each and everything about these folders. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is how we use pwd command and ls commands. So in the upcoming lecture we are going to see some more important commands. The man command, one of the most important commands which is going to become handy to you in the future, is the man command, and it stands for manual. The man command can be used to query and get the manual of any other command. So let's see how we can use man command. So now let's see how man command works. So for that you just need to know in which directory currently I am working on. So for that we just need to type pwd and press enter. So currently I am working on home directory. Okay, so now let's see how the man command works. So for that, type man and the command and press enter. So this will show you the manual of this particular command. Okay, so this is all about the manual of pwd command. Okay, and so if you want to know what is the manual of any particular command, you just need to type man and the command. So this is how the manual of the pwd command looks like. Okay, so now let's see what is the manual of ls command. Man ls and press enter. So after pressing enter, you can see here the manual of this command. So this is how it works. And if you want to know more about, so we have one more command in our list, is that these all are the commands that we can use with ls to find more information about the list. Okay, so now let's see the another one. So for clearing the screen, we just need to type clear and press enter. Okay, so in Windows we use cls, and in Kali Linux we use clear. So the another command in our list is help command. So for using help command, you just need to type the command --help and press enter. So it will show each and everything about the command. Okay, so these are the commands that we can use with the help ls command. So this is how help command works. Okay, now let's clear this screen and let's see how it works for pwd. Help and press enter. So these two commands, man and help, will be very handy for us to know anything about any particular command, its working, how we can use that particular command very efficiently. So we just need to use these particular commands. Okay, so now this is all for this video. In the upcoming lecture we are going to see some more commands about we can use in Kali Linux. Thank you. So now in this video we are going to see how to change the directory. Currently I am working on home directory. Now I just want to change home directory to desktop. How I can change this directory using the terminal window? So for that I am going to use a command named as cd, which is also called as change directory command. Okay, so cd command will change the directory where you want to change it. Okay, now cd, I just want to change directory to desktop, so I will type desktop and / and press enter. So as you can see here, the current working directory of mine is desktop. So now let's see it is correct or not. So currently I am on desktop. Okay, so let's see how many things are there in desktop. So there is nothing. I don't have anything in the desktop. Okay, so this is how we can use cd command. So now if you want to get back into the previous directory, so for that you just need to type cd - press enter. So now as you can see here, you are currently in home Kali directory, and this is how it works. So for that, I just want to see how many. Okay, I just want to get to this directory which is called as downloads. So copy selection and change cd, and I will just paste and / press enter. So currently I am in downloads. Let's see folders inside download. So I don't have anything inside download, so it is showing me nothing. So let's see, is it true or not? So yes, I don't have anything, that's why it is showing empty. Okay, so this is how you can use cd to get into any directory you want. So this is very important command. This command will be very handy for you. And this is all for this video. In the upcoming videos, we are going to learn how to use a command to make the folder without using the graphical user interface. So now in this lesson, we are going to see how to create folders using the terminal window. So this video will gonna be very interesting for us, because this video will teach us that how to create any particular folder without using the graphical user interface. And if we talk about the graphical user interface, you can create using this. Okay, so now using terminal, how we can create a document. So for that, we just need to see where I am. I am in home Kali. So I'm going to change it desktop and press enter. Okay, so currently I am in desktop. So let's list it. Nothing is in desktop. So I'm going to make a folder. So for creating the folder, kalilinux have a command named as mkdir, which is also called as make directory. Okay, so mkdir. So I just want to make the folder in this area. Okay, so which is in desktop. So desktop mkdir, this is command for creating the folder, and I'm going to name my folder as hello and press enter. So as you can see here, this folder is here. The folder is ready to use. Okay, so now I just want to make one more folder inside it. So how I can make that kind of folder? So for that, I just need to type this whole thing and / and the folder name, and the folder name will be like name, and press enter. So we created hello, and now inside hello we created a folder called as name. So now let's see, is it there or not? So firstly we are going to see using graphical user interface name. Okay, so now I just want to make one more folder inside name. So I'm going to make it 2020 and press enter. So is it or not? So let's see here. Yes, the folder is ready to use. So now I just want to see using this terminal window how it looks like. So for that, I just want to make ls. So currently I am hello and currently I am desktop. So I'm going to change my directory to hello. Okay, hello is here. So for that, I just need to type hello / So currently I am in hello. Let's ls list, and this folder is inside hello. Okay, so now I'm going to change directory to name. Okay, so for that, name / press enter. So currently I am name. Let's see which folder is inside name, and it is 2020. So let's change this to 2020. Okay, cd 2020 / enter. So currently I am in 2020. Let's ls it. Nothing is inside 2020. That's why it is showing nothing to us. Okay, so this is how we can use this command. So now let's get back to the desktop. Okay, so now currently I am in. Okay, so this is how you can use these all commands to create the directory. And this is all you can create directory using folder using the terminal window. This is very easy process. You just need to type some commands and the folder will be ready to use. So this is all for this lecture, and in the upcoming sections we are going to learn how to start your penetration journey, how to hack networks, how to hack website, how we can perform all kinds of attack using this kalilinux operating system. Okay, so this is all for this lecture. And thank you for watching this video, and see you. Have a good day.